Google Messages, the popular messaging app, has been rolling out exciting new features for beta testers, providing a glimpse into the future of messaging. From a redesigned chat bar to innovative additions like noise cancellation, photomoji, screen effects, voice modes, and animated reactions, the beta version promises a sneak peek into the cutting-edge developments at Google. However, merely being a beta tester does not guarantee instant access to these features. Traditionally, users with rooted devices could enable flags to access these hidden gems. Fortunately, there's a method that allows users with unrooted devices to unlock and explore these features instantly. The first step on this journey involves installing the Google Messages beta version. With the beta version installed, the next step is to activate the debug menu, which holds the key to unlock hidden features. Follow these steps to do so. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Step 1. Open the Google Messages app and locate the search icon. Tap on it to open the search bar. Now enter *XYZZY* and hit enter, or press the search icon on your keyboard. Step 2. As soon as you do this, a toast notification will appear, signaling that the debug menu has been successfully enabled. Step 3. Once the debug menu is activated, tap on the profile pic icon within the app. You'll notice a new addition, the debug option. Select this option to reveal a list of settings that will give you unprecedented control over your Google Messages experience. Step 4. Within the debug menu, tap on Values, then navigate to Auto Ramp Overrides /G Service Keys. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. You'll be presented with a comprehensive list of feature flags available in the Google Messages beta version. Each flag represents a unique feature or setting that you can experiment with. Embarking on this adventure may raise questions or present challenges. If you encounter any issues or have queries about this method, feel free to comment below. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.